What's going on? It's your boy back once again, Rich Nice. Today we're taking the Slingshot out to the Polaris Plant out here in Huntsville, Alabama. There's a group of riders coming down from Chattanooga. So we're going to go out there, meet with them, take a tour of the plant, and see what we can see. On another note, I haven't posted a video in a while. This is the first weekend that it hasn't rained or that I wasn't in town. But the big news is we're moving. I know everybody's heartbroken, but I got a promotion. I'm going to be near family. My daughter get to see her grandparents, so it's well worth it. Hate leaving my shop that I just built, but like anything else, it's a shop. I can get a new one. I can build a new one, so it ain't no thing but a chicken wing. So what I'm going to do is finish cleaning up the Slingshot. We'll head out to Polaris, do a little meet and greet, and then we'll take a tour, eat some lunch, that type of stuff, and hopefully I can get some good video of everything going on and give y'all something to see. Till then, I'll be back. Peace.
Finish about 11:30, 12 o'clock, lay down in bed, and our cats have a sick tummy. You didn't get sick, they just make them sick. Oh, yes.
Come on. Let's go.
Put this Dodge in here. What's going on? We back from Polaris, so we had a good time. Unfortunately, Polaris will not let you take the cameras inside so you can see the assembly line, but I got to see the Slingshot from start to finish. Everything from the frame, all the plastics being put on, the engine being put in, the transmission. I mean, just the works from start to finish. The new Polaris comes with a top, and the new top actually comes up from here, connects here, goes across, up here, down the other side, and then you can still be able to take these right here on and off, but they look a little bit different. They're solid color, and then right here is a little bubble, and that little bubble has a transparent lens in it so you can see through it. So it was a blast. I got to meet a lot of good people. We had 32 Slingshots come down from North Georgia, Chattanooga, and surrounding areas. So big shouts out to Wayne who put it together, and big shouts out to everybody who came down. There were so many Slingshots, they actually had to turn away about 20. But that is a sight to see when something like that is rolling down the highway. As you can look in the video, as you've already seen, I got them when they came in. We gave some of the assembly workers rides because they've never ridden in one. They just put them together. So they're very appreciative, and I am very thankful for the hospitality and everything that Bill put on for us. They fed us and everything else. So big shouts out to Polaris. I look forward to doing more things with you. I'll holler at you. Peace.